Good morning, Davenport students. Today is Monday, April 6th. The rules before we get started: we want to make sure we have some space so we can do our activities. We have our sneakers on and they're tied up, and we have a parent or guardian around to help us out with the activity. Activities: stretches. We're going to jog in place, feet apart stretch to the left and the right, jumping jacks, trunk twist, bounce on right foot or and your left. GoNoodle activities: hot dog time machine, baby shark, and chicken dance. I'm getting some great comments about your activities that you are doing, and if you're doing any kind of extra activities with your family, outside or inside, let me know.
Good morning, Davenport students.
Here's our stretches for this week.
By jogging in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feet apart, and we're going to stretch down to our right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To our left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jumping jacks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Trunk twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms out, balance on one foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, and I will see you tomorrow.
So here we are at our GoNoodle page. We'll just type in hot dog time machine. There it is.
Not Dog here. I need to travel back in time to 1985 to deliver an incredibly important...
So that's the hot dog time machine. Next up, we have one we haven't done before. Baby shark.
Baby shark, doo 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 doo.
That is Baby Shark. The last one is the chicken dance.
Greetings, my friends. It is I, Maximo. And today I'm feeling like, how do you say? A chicken.
So that is the chicken dance. So I hope that you enjoy the activities today, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.